Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, you guys, are you ready to slay the eyeliner game like the true makeup bosses we are? Because today we're diving deep into the art of the perfect eyeliner. Achieving that flawless line, whether it's a fierce wing or a sultry smolder, can totally transform your entire makeup look. It's like the key to unlocking your inner makeup goddess. So grab your favorite eyeliner, your brushes, and let's get ready to create some magic. Alright babes, before we even think about touching our eyes, we need to talk eyeliner types. There are so many options out there, and each one has its own unique benefits and challenges. So let's dive in and find out which one is perfect for you. First up, we've got our liquid liner. This baby is like the queen of precision, perfect for those razor-sharp wings. If you love a bold, dramatic look, liquid eyeliner is your best friend. It's great for creating those iconic cat eyes and graphic liner looks that are all over Instagram. But I'm not gonna lie, it can be a little tricky to master. If you're just starting out, I'd recommend practicing a few times before rocking it for a big night out. Try using a light hand and short strokes to build up your line gradually. And don't worry if it's not perfect. Practice makes perfect. Next, we have gel eyeliner. This creamy dream is like the best of both worlds. You can use it for defined lines or smudge it out for a smokier look. It's super versatile and can be used to create a variety of styles, from subtle to sultry. It's also super long lasting, so you can dance the night away without worrying about your eyeliner ending up on your cheeks. Gel eyeliner is perfect for those long days and nights when you need your makeup to stay put. And last but not least, we have our trusty pencil liner. This is the OG eyeliner, and it's still a makeup bag must-have. Pencil liners are incredibly versatile and can be used for everything from tight lining your waterline to creating a smoky eye. It's super easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. Just make sure you grab a waterproof formula if you want your look to last. Pencil liners are also great for on-the-go touch-ups, so you can keep your eyeliner looking fresh all day long. So whether you're a liquid liner lover, a gel liner guru, or a pencil liner pro, there's an eyeliner out there for everyone. Happy lining, babes! Okay, so we've got our eyeliner sorted and we're ready to create some stunning looks. But before we go in with any product, we need to make sure our canvas is prepped and ready. We need to prep those lids to ensure our eyeliner goes on smoothly and stays put, just like you wouldn't paint a masterpiece on a dirty canvas, right? The same principle applies to our eyelids. We want a smooth, flawless base for our eyeliner to glide on effortlessly. Start by making sure your eyelids are clean and free of any oils. This step is crucial for a long-lasting look. Then, grab your favorite eyeshadow primer. This is going to be our secret weapon against smudging and creasing. Apply a thin layer all over your lid from your lash line up to your brow bone. Make sure it's evenly distributed. This will create a perfect canvas for our eyeliner and help it stay put all day and night long. No more midday touch-ups. Trust me, your eyeliner will thank you later. With these steps, you'll have a flawless base that makes your eyeliner pop and last. So, take your time with the prep. It's worth it for that perfect long-lasting eyeliner look. And there you have it, prepping those lids like a pro. Now, go ahead and create those stunning eyeliner looks with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more styling and makeup tips. Now for the fun part. finding the perfect angle for your wing. This step is crucial for achieving that flawless, sharp look that can elevate your entire makeup game. This is where things can get a little intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than it looks. With a bit of patience and practice, you'll be able to master it in no time. First things first, tilt your head back slightly and look down into a mirror. This position helps you see your lash line more clearly and ensures you have a steady hand. This will give you a better view of your lash line and help you create a more symmetrical wing. Symmetry is key to achieving that professional look. Now imagine drawing a line from the outer corner of your lower lash line upwards towards the tail of your eyebrow. This step is essential for getting the right angle. This imaginary line is going to be your guide for the angle of your wing. It acts as a roadmap, helping you achieve that perfect flick every time. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your eye shape. Different eye shapes may require slight adjustments, so take your time to discover what suits you best. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your technique. Getting graphic, mastering the application. Okay guys, it's showtime. Let's talk application techniques. For a classic eyeliner look, start by applying your eyeliner to your upper lash line, as close to the lashes as possible. Use small short strokes, gradually thickening the line as you move towards the outer corner of your eye. If you're going for a winged look, once you reach the outer corner, extend your line slightly upwards, following that imaginary line we talked about earlier. Then, connect the end of that line back down to your lash line, creating a triangle shape. Fill in the triangle and voila, you've got yourself a wing. Now that you've created your masterpiece, it's time to lock that liner in place. To prevent any transferring or smudging, grab a matching eyeshadow and a small flat brush. Dip the brush into the eyeshadow and gently press it along your lash line, right on top of your eyeliner. This will set the liner and create a seamless, long-lasting look. And for the final touch, a few coats of mascara. Not only will this make your eyes pop, but it also helps to balance out the eyeliner and create a more harmonious look. Okay, let's be real, we've all been there. You're so close to achieving the perfect eyeliner, and then bam! You get a little shaky hand and suddenly you've got a wing that's gone rogue. But don't panic, even I have my eyeliner mishaps. The key is to be prepared. Keep a cotton bud and some makeup remover handy for any necessary touch-ups. If you make a mistake, simply dip the cotton bud in the makeup remover and gently wipe away the stray eyeliner. And if your wings aren't perfectly symmetrical, don't sweat it. Just use the cotton bud to adjust the shape until you're happy with it. And there you have it, my loves. You've officially mastered the art of the perfect eyeliner. But before you run off to conquer the world with your fierce new look, there's one last crucial step: setting spray. A few spritzes of setting spray will lock in your entire makeup look, including that flawless eyeliner, ensuring it stays put all day and night long. So go ahead and give yourself a huge high five. You deserve it. Now go out there and rock that eyeliner like the makeup boss you are. And there you have it, my loves. You are now officially eyeliner masters. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Whether you prefer a classic wing, a dramatic cat eye, or a sultry smoky eye, the power is in your hands. Now go out there and rock that eyeliner with confidence.